Now, the Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues. With Storm Team 10's Eric Stidman.
Well, good morning to you on this Friday. Here it is, the end of the work week and school week for a lot of us. I know some folks out there work on the weekends, and that's okay too. But for the weekend, it should be nice overall. I have one thing I want to talk about on Saturday, and I'll show you here in just a second. But temperature-wise out there this morning, well, lower 30s across the board, except for Rockville at 29, Terre Haute 31, Paris 32, Vincennes 33, Flora 34, and a chilly north wind out there. Kind of strong, 14 in Terre Haute, 16 in Vincennes, 12 in Robinson, 10 in Olney. So giving us a little bit of a wind chill nearing the upper teens, but we're not really there just yet. So 21 Terre Haute, 23 Vincennes, 22 Robinson, 30 Linton. And as we get near daybreak, that's typically when we see the lowest temperature for the day. So I would suspect as we get into, say, the 7:30, 8 o'clock hour this morning, we could actually maybe see some upper teens for wind chill. Won't last long, though, because we'll begin to warm up a little bit. Well, we have a little bit of clearing just right here over the central part of the United States going to move in and give us kind of a break in the clouds today. I think overall we'll probably see more clouds than we will actually see sunshine, but we'll have a few breaks for the opportunity to see some blue sky out there. So here's 7 o'clock this morning on Futurecast, and it's already bringing in that break in the clouds. And as we go through the afternoon, we'll start to bring in some sunshine, but then as we get into the evening, we'll bring in some more clouds. So here's 1 o'clock. A lot of folks take lunch break right around 12:01 in Indiana, 11:12 in Illinois. So you can see that we have a little bit of clearing out there, but then there's going to be another ripple in the atmosphere as we get into the evening, which ultimately could bring us a little rain for our overnight. So the forecast high today, not bad, about where it was yesterday, except we won't have any rain or snow out there like we did yesterday. 43 Terre Haute, 42 Rockville, just a little warmer to the south. Overnight lows actually staying in the 30s tonight. So 35 for Terre Haute, 35 Rockville, 36 Vincennes, 37 Olney and Flora. So what happens is we get into the overnight, we have that little ripple in the atmosphere, and it brings us in a little bit of rain. So I'm going with a 20%, actually I've dialed it back. I'm going with a 10% chance. I don't have a lot of confidence in what we're seeing here at this point. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you have daytime plans tomorrow, you're heading out for the afternoon, or you have to go be outside for something, I think you'll be okay. Just take the umbrella. Then after we get through that, it's pretty smooth sailing. Here's Saturday at 8 o'clock. We do have some clouds hanging around, but then they clear out for Sunday, and Sunday looks to be the better day of the two when we start to talk about our weekend. So if you have plans this weekend, I think you'll be fine. Just for Saturday, make sure you have the umbrella because we will have some showers early, likely going to get out of here pretty quickly. So for today, 43, mostly cloudy this morning, then a little clearing this afternoon before the clouds build back in tonight. Overnight showers with a low around 35, and then tomorrow heating up to around 50. So I think overall Saturday will be an all right day after we get through those rain showers. Well, here's the rest of the 7-day forecast. 10% chance is what I'm calling that overnight rain Friday into Saturday, 54 on Sunday. Then our weather pattern becomes quite active for the next week. It is possible we could have our first thunder shower of the season on Tuesday, but if you look at the daytime highs, we begin climbing into the 60s for the better part of next week. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.